In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Xbox error of 0x80a40019. So first things first, make sure to open your Xbox application or your Xbox device. I have in here this help article that can help us. So this particular error code on your Xbox Live on Xbox One may mean that there's a network issue in connecting to the Xbox Live service. To resolve this, let's head over and check the Xbox status. Go over to the Xbox status page and see if the Xbox is working. So it may happen as well if you're actually having some troubles with the actual server itself. Next thing is to restart your Xbox One console. So it actually depends on which console you have. So head over and then restart it. So turn it off and then turn it on. And if it doesn't solve the problem, wait a few minutes and try signing in again into your Xbox account. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.